If I put that for a head.
Yeah?
You see this my sister like who they lie.
Now Vera constantly tell us say if the constantly say okay, may still go work because that I never get documents. Benjamin, the same girl where Benjamin teach a iPhone. He press that one breast. He can't teach his phone, Jonah.
Mama,
Good evening, my
Sister, he don't try rich. He don't try for them. And me, I know you well, sister. I know you. You understand?
If you accept the children will live for us and he can't take care of them, he go see say our life go change.
Now wait till me tell her. Say me go back then. Now wait till me tell her.
Now wait till my mind just tell me be down. Wait till my spirit just tell me now you be down. And I let that and why you talk. May you go back to the children. May they take care of them. Go see say our life.
All those they can't forgive them. They're not going to forgive them.
Why not?
No, they'll forgive her.
Now those one go accept better. Not be better one accept them. Now they want accept better.
They'll forgive her.
Madam Mama.
Sister, me I know at that time for Benin. You understand? All those children, they're small where Vera come out. You know?
Okay.
They're this small. Me I know now where. You understand? You are as a sister to you overtry for your siblings where.
Okay.
Overtry where. I know you'll be hardworking woman. If not picking when you did Nigeria, if not picking you want the bomb, you get a chance to bomb.
I get now.
You not born. You want make him may you do okay, may your sister. I know enough for Gbeson.
God bless you. Let me tell you
that apartment, that Mama Yebo house. Now my grandfather now opposite that house. Mama Mali.
Mama Mali.
You where. Yes, you don't try for them. Where go reach the one with this pain. Go
God
reach Lucky.
God bless you.
Now you carry them along. You know, you don't try for them. Mama Vera herself not be baby again where you yourself will come the advice. Woman of 5 children, you abandon your children. The other children, they're small. I remember when their mother carry cockerel fish, they come they dry that time. You go to dry for your outside.
Yes.
All those children, they're small.
They don't grow now. Mama not give them food. Well, let them grow well.
Yes, now.
All
the children want to forgive their mama.
They go still forgive. They go forgive.
Small, you leave them, abandon them because you see fine boy.
The fine boy now not get sense, so he not get sense.
Fine boy will not get brain.
The boy himself now not see get fear of God. Say this woman will marry, so the children take care of them.
You say you not matter.
I will say he plan that rules. All those children where they
okay, Vera where they make mad say she won't deport herself, go meet Benjamin. So why she can't run go Belgium?
Benjamin don't wanna make it not try because Vera go stay streets. Benjamin never wanna.
Okay. And Benjamin know say if she go, you know get money not go enter her hand. As far as Vera still there Europe, she go feel use those money.
Benjamin talking. He say children still there Europe. You know they say Vera. He say my children still there Europe.
You know they call her my wife. You know even they call her my wife. You know even they call her my girlfriend.
Yeah, Vera.
Vera go say my man.
I don't know why people force themselves to deport the children, follow our children.
You know say with Vera. He say I make they carry my children follow me.
Benjamin a big fool.
Maybe you won't go use those children do ritual because you know why?
Wetin you do to your father, now those your children, if they're big, they go do to you.
That one 100 now.
You feel say because of those children, you go use as you take they see you take they use them they shop for Germany since all those years. Your time don't end. You know go see one
don't
like that. Now waiting you don't know as you mumu rich. You feel say you go feel say use those children take collect money for Vera hand. Me self I go join my faith. Me Vera self relate to me. I go pray for Vera head till she go get sense, she go wise. 1 naira, you know go see shop. You are a very useless boy. Now this boy even make Vera not feel remember her children. You don't.
Yes,
You
now.
know say
Yes,
all those
now.
boys
Yes,
sef,
closer
dem
now.
dey
to
do
Vera
juju.
now. I
Yes.
know
All
say
those
Vera they
boys.
shame, they fear to come close. Vera, no worry. I don't accept you. Come, may we gather join hand. Beg your children, may you live your normal life, okay?
Yes.
I
May
know.
God
Oh,
bless
just
you, my
like,
sister.
No, your
God
God
will
worry.
bless
bless
you.
you. Oh,
Now
sister,
so I
God
not
go
tell you. I say
bless you.
senior pikin. Now so they be. Then they get sense. They don't
Away,
they fit take things
I thought
personal.
my son is your
Oh.
I thought my son is your
God go
what
bless
I
you,
know.
sister. This word boy you talk so,
Now
and
so
God
they
go
be now.
reward
You
you.
a girl who family never hot.
Yes,
Family
Yeah,
the hot
yes.
person. You go let go.
yeah.
Family the hot person. We where
The
they
more
talk
you
for here, so
forgive,
not
the
be say
more
we
God
did
will open
perfect.
door for you. Yeah.
Now so, now
Me,
so.
me, when, before I come out for Nigeria, I born pikin. Because of my one pikin, I they give because they stay with the father. If father children, I they give them. Every
Yes.
Christmas, I they buy something for all. From here, I they load clothes, go give all the children because of only
Yeah.
Okay.
one child.
Because of
They
one
give the
picking.
man, they
Okay.
give the woman. When the woman they won't do marriage, I send money give the woman. Who
Okay.
go feed one? I they give
Because
this man,
now
this man, the
your picking
children.
they stay there.
Yes.
Exactly.
I don't want make them even get spirit of envy follow am. I dey buy phone give
Okay.
them. I dey give them money. If they want do birthday, then they call me. Sister, we won't do birthday. I say no worry. I dey give them. So
Okay.
you no fit take care of your children. That means you are a dead person. No, I don't know. Your own children wey you use your toto take born. Now you dey run up and down. You know, I know say many people fit talk say not be the children, not be the children. The children must their head must worry you.
Now
Na
the
who
children
their
head
go
though.
be.
Now the children head 100/100. May it
Me,
come over
before I come
and
home for
beg the
Nigeria,
children.
I go meet my daughter. I tell her, say, mommy want to take care of you. Pray for mommy. And true, my way open.
Now
So,
Exactly.
so now you know what
waiting
the
I they do for
children.
my pikin. People they talk until tomorrow, Tito. They say only one pikin pass 10 children. My
Now
girlfriend
so.
they say this your one pikin will pass 100 children. Where they give money like say,
Now
I
so
they give my
now.
pikin money like water. People they say it's too much. You they spoil it because I know they spoil them. I will give her.
You know they spoil am as e dey, so you no go dey, go dey put eye for boy, you no go dey find wetin no find am.
Yes.
I they tell
Because you
you,
dey take
she
care of
did
am.
300 level now. She go soon graduate to 300
Imagine.
level. You say if you
Imagine.
say people go enter abroad, you go now it make me now I knew marry so and I go
I
soon
see
born
her
another
now.
children for you.
I see her now.
I settle down, do everything. I look as I won't marry now. I go Nigeria now. Put
Vera,
the pikin for school.
even put pikin for work.
I
Vera
settle
no put pikin
everything.
for
I
work.
settle down. You
Benjamin no
don't
gree.
mess. Who don't big, don't big. You
That
if
Yeah,
you
boy,
one
I'm
ruin that
boy.
woman life. He
I bet I
ruined
want to ask
life.
one question. More than not better. I be Benjamin use juju cast. Who's more that go abandon a pikin?
No,
ask me,
nobody know. Because
Not
nobody
be
know my sister.
juju. Not be juju at all.
Because you know what if the reason? First, if you tell me that this boy my man say my pikin, no. But if let me want that, come they think am.
Not be
God
juju.
forbid.
Not be juju. Nah, stupidness.
Eh?
Picking where
Now
you not train right from where you did Nigeria.
now
Now you
love they
don't there
shark
abroad.
and
Now you
love.
want to
You know,
take care
say
of.
some people they pennies they sweet them well.
Now stupidness.
But
You
I
know what
don't
this
finish
my brother
everything.
talk? You know what this my brother talk? My brother talk that thing again, make they hear, because if I talk and they don't believe.
I say picking where you not take off when he did Nigeria. Now when he there abroad, now you want take off.
Una hear wetin he talk? The
Eh?
time when Vera can't leave your husband,
Now
anywhere Vera go leave
na
it.
sister
Vera
house.
go
Now
dey
Vera
village.
come. Pack his children come.
My brother, Vera want talk. Vera said that he has me stay. When
For
Vera
where?
come out for the people come they beat me for this social media.
For
Now Vera
where?
put it for her.
For
Now
the
Vera
Igbo
put.
house. Now you rent that back flat for upstairs.
Okay. One
About
brother,
4
even
bedroom,
the
the 3
brother where he get
bedroom.
the ass. Come one platform, come see talk am. Vera said
Yes,
that she dey put
Kingsley.
me for us. Kingsley come one platform when I
Yes,
did the come
now
see
I
talk
see him.
am.
Mama, you don't try. Now you open way for them.
Okay.
Now you
No
open
see,
way
now
for them.
person will know you they talk or not be saying
It's
that
just
then say
so.
oh.
We never dream say now they are this is so. Now they we see say they don't move, enter. They say come back. The last time we move, now they move. Now they will look up to well, sir, one come out, enter this John.
I agree with you. So
We not lucky move. When the younger brother move, many younger brother we see, we talk. You
Okay.
know, this is a
Normally
trap
prick
for them.
sweet.
The
let me
trap
that
for
Amazing
brother.
them. Where
Rose.
the country.
I agree with you. So my people,
You say normally,
that
sweet.
don't lie. This is my sister, very good sister.
Yes,
Me and she
now.
nobody for village, Okada. Let me
Okay.
for nobody. Okada. What about that talking? Not be lie. Now my sister Kate, now carry everybody for front.
Yes,
Okay.
now.
She put herself for back, put her for front. I surprised where she don't reach where we suppose about now. Because they do her anyhow. Because about treat her saying she don't call her sister again. It shocked me.
It did not keep
Because
all of them
what
for
do I do
her, both their
very
last
small
born.
age.
Your
For very
last
small
born.
age.
Both your
That's
last
try.
born.
All
Like
they
You
still
try.
they do me.
You too
I know they
try.
care. Now make they do me. They go do me. I will look and say, my mama not there.
Penny for that matter. Penny.
Yeah.
no, sister, we try. God will bless you for you to
What
fix.
I'll tell you, Mama, I beg. No, see, leave them. You be their
No, I don't
mother.
leave them. Oh, I want
You
leave
be
them
their
for.
mother. You know, yeah, where a Benin they use and make parable. Say, dumb, so we jump.
Yes.
Wow.
No matter what.
You don't forgive them now. Not being
Yeah.
the talk, say, may Vera come. You don't forgive
Yeah.
them.
Because they're not guessing snake or something. Your sister, nothing like your blood. You understand? Even though your sister carry you go public, go disgrace, you disgrace yourself. Now what is the name know?
Sisters, they quarrel now. They
Yes,
say
now
tongue
sister they
and teeth
quarrel for
self, they
it.
fight.
No sister we not the quarrel, we not the fight. They'll see settle.
I
You
dey tell
understand?
you.
Then you know
Motive.
settle down, follow your sister. Me and sister advance and when you go carry small boy, where the one use overfeed the take key. You know guess sense.
Spaghetti, Italian pasta.
You see person where you go carry, even the boy not be good father to your children when you born for them.
I dey tell you.
Good father, oh. Hey.
That boy na central boy.
Better one.
Look at the
And
car
see,
where they
this
beg money
boy,
for social media. You know the shame. Yeah.
See, sorry to say this, some, I'm not to say all of them. Some Asian boys, now so then they're lazy. They know they go work. Then they shop woman. And this kind of Benjamin go they leak to Hey, Jesus.
No be me Vera mumu finish. Because Yoruba man don't know how to go there before.
If Yoruba man don't know, he go show on. He go show on.
Yoruba man, that's the advance, not be small boy.
Wait now.
Where you call your this small boy? Now, this one
If
be
he don't leak, if Benjamin don't leak Vera to those Toto finish, she not the get sense again. Anything where Benjamin do herself, he not the pain her because now Toto now they leak water.
Okay, West now. Now, to say they go leak. Picking when you pass through pay, they bon. Yeah.
And it no say, I never know how it they sweet some people.
Yeah.
Because she never experienced that kind of thing before. Benjamin, I be the first person will start to the leak Vera Toto. Now I make her. She won't die follow her.
Yeah.
This kind Benjamin, so you know they see mouth.
All those children when you born,
Even Vera, she said
you
you go dey leak her.
You not pay
You
now.
collect money for her hand.
You not pay now when they born that children because picking they have to born.
I dey tell you, 5 children. You get 5 children, you dey think about children again if you enter
Money
abroad.
when you invest for Benjamin body, if you invest for your children body, know where they will dey by now.
If I don't build the house finish now, by now my whole house we
Even
should
though
have
I work, you know people there for school, they'll go learn work.
Not be everybody go
Open
school
store.
before now.
Open
All
store for
of
them.
many of us will come here now. School we take come here.
No.
Uh-huh.
You open store for your children.
Hello,
You go to follow Benjamin where food don't poor. You are not to have one with buzu.
Now
Una
spaghetti, all those pasta.
good evening, my
welcome.
sister. Beg, you get wetin I want talk because I dey work. Okay, as the una wabeba wabo nizedo.
Your book, yeah.
Here where a Benjamin or Wohano.
I bet speak
A
English.
Benjamin, okay, they say Benjamin a small boy. How Benjamin take be small boy? Because Vera say, if Papa don't spend 36 years in this country, you may say if Papa don't first day here before you go born Benjamin for house.
No.
How Benjamin can't be small boy like that? If Papa don't born am before he come in Germany.
Now let
And
that
he
one we
say,
don't know because Benjamin dey be theory. Now Benjamin be last born. Whether na that process where Papa come they go as come take pregnant mama, now let that one. But Benjamin never reach 36 years. Benjamin is a small boy.
He go make una ask, make una find
Maybe
out
Papa dey
that
here now when he go
process.
born now. It dey possible now.
Because
Because
that
they
time
not born
if Papa
Benjamin.
they go ask, Benjamin might say
Papa,
36 years.
because they say
Mama,
Papa
if
don't
he don't
spend
reach,
36 years.
if he don't
If
reach,
Papa don't
if he
spend
don't reach,
36 years for here, okay. Now be
if
say
he don't
Papa
reach,
they go, if Papa don't born her before he come.
You know
So
why?
make una
You know why I say never
find
reach?
out, make una
The
find
time
out
when
that
Papa
position.
cry come out 7 years ago. If Papa talk am for Gladys platform say Vera is older than Benjamin more than 10 years. My boy is a small boy. My boy is a
yes.
small boy. If Papa cry come out.
Thank you,
Benjamin
Mama.
Papa no say Vera older than Benjamin more than 10 years.
Thank you. Na there dey quarrel there, so
It cannot be
no one
truth.
to talk.
Benjamin with Vera can be
45 years. The Vera say
age
45 years
mates.
in there.
Which one be
You
Benjamin with
understand
Vera?
me?
Vera is 40 years. I that out of the 30 age mates.
Okay, if Papa don't come here since 36 years. 36 years ago, now Papa come here. Oh, na so we hear
Even
na so
though say
Vera
na
dey talk am.
36
We don't even
years,
care about the age.
Vera go
Let me
use
kind
4
of get
years.
sense.
Benjamin na small pikin o.
We don't care about the
Benjamin
age.
na
Oh.
small pikin.
Now be say Papa don't dey here before he go home, go born am.
See,
If
my
Papa don't
people,
born
more
am
than
for,
listening to me.
if the Papa don't born am for house before he
See
come
am,
here, he
my
must be
sisters.
36 years.
Age na number. Now because say Benjamin no get sense.
Not be
If
age.
Benjamin
They will
see
be
the old
30,
Vera,
28 years. They get sense.
I
I dey tell
tell
you, age is just a number. If to say Benjamin get sense, if he dey
Benjamin
take care of his
na
family, he know say yes,
Otoyo.
he na man, he stand as a man, they take care of his children. Even though say he not take care of Vera own, that one nobody go blame her. Vera now he go take care of her own children.
Yeah.
Now Europe we dey, they not they wait for man to do everything. You self go do your own. You understand? Nobody go talk whether he na 40 years, whether he na 20 years. Nobody go know. Now because na useless pikin wey no get sense. Now I make everybody they just say Benjamin a small pikin, a small pikin. No.
Yeah.
And if you see am the way in the heart now, they heart like the small children.
If
He
they
dey
act
heart
like
like
this,
20
even
years
15
pikin.
years old, not go act like that.
Yeah.
He don't carry small face, not be small pikin, carry small face.
My sister, may I tell you, if you get pikin for Nigeria, not be your husband will tell you me send that money. Like me, I get pikin. Who is there? Open the door. Now I dey set money go to give me a pikin by myself. Not be the man they tell me say, not be my husband they tell me say send money before I send.
For
You know
where?
even know how much I send, go give them.
I dey tell you. Now so
You
it be now.
understand?
Yeah. Me, I want to use my pikin to play. Oh, God
That one
forbid.
are better.
I no send though. My pikin. Hey God.
This our brother don't fair tell you. When Vera don't leave Papa Ayo, you understand? Now only 2 children he carry follow body. That 2 children Vera use them sweep ground for Benin. Papa Ayo come see the way Vera they suffer his children. That one come carry and join the 3. Vera never even fit take care of his children 2 when he carry when he dey Nigeria. Now wetin this our brother wey know us reach as they talk just now. Amen.
Okay, mama, I see a man I say you want me via Abi? No, what so instead be they carry belle they boy, you don't know how to take care of them.
You don't know.
Now
What
if
do you
they
call
talk,
it?
they won't carry my
Government,
children.
man,
They won't carry my
Vera
children.
dey beneath
What they
them,
come
eh?
make you abandon the one where you get? Because
Vera
of
dey
money.
beneath them. He go carry pikin give person when he give the pikin 6 months. That one go dey use Vera pikin dey tell Vera.
Now be say, God go punish Vera.
That means
These
that
children,
pikin
they will
when you
fit
see
see
for
collect
them, you
am.
not value them.
You know, na because of the money, oh, you know the follow
Because of the benefits.
Yes.
Now be say, God go punish Vera. They must collect
Vera
these
not the person
children.
where they value pikin. Oh. Now wetin this our bros dey try tell you now.
Now they talk. So I said, government must collect these children because all
If
the
you
old
not
talk wey
value
people
of
they
the
talk,
government will collect them.
then they hear am.
Even people with no value of children, government see they collect their children.
You know what Vera value wetin born those children. He value gbola, through that gbola now those children come they come out. Now
Okay,
person wey
people
like
will
gbola.
value area protection. No, they eat. Come on, keep it.
So through
If
that
you
gbola
Because
pwe.
person will not feel like his senior children, no go ever like the younger ones.
Yes, now.
Don't make noise. Mommy is here.
Now
Because now
wow.
how do you take care of the senior? Now you go take reach the junior.
I did tell you.
Exactly. Wait till you your kind of belly, your bone, you don't like all those children, you dey neglect them. It's very bad. You know how to all those children, they're not gonna worry you, you can't bond them. You don't born the finish now, you don't take care of them.
Vera, may God deliver her. Oh. Because
Benjamin,
if God deliver her now, may she go take care
Yes.
of those ones wey dey
Benjamin
Nigeria.
himself, is
Which
it
you are
when he
disturbing
know
mama.
Vera? Is it life for Vera? Now make Vera put interest for her well. You know, he get the way some kind boys go to the happy self. Say, my father did Jamie, my father get German passport. Some women here go your boss. If you don't born for this pikin now, no, I will not get German passport. Okay, person wey build itself, get that German passport. You don't see Nigeria women there. Why not put Nigeria woman for us?
No, you not put.
Okay,
No,
the man,
you know say
just take it piece to take carry Oyibo man put for us. We know say Oyibo possibly get wahala, but he don't get peace there. Now that line, he want make it pikin follow where we don't know so. Where
Yeah.
Benjamin no one bring come out so. Now that line, he be one make it pikin follow, make it pikin
Yeah, so
Oyibo,
get German woman.
get everything where he define. But along the line, he can't go put one for black. And
No,
you go
my
point for
brother.
black, you can't see be say na woman wey don first see born. Not be
My
all
brother,
men
you know
dey
why?
like all those things.
Papa Benjamin not even to get right, you understand? Because not be carry Benjamin come Europe.
Yes, I know. Yes.
Because he tell Benjamin, make Benjamin from Libya go back. Now Vera come carry am for contract, come cross Benjamin.
Ah,
You
can I
understand?
cross am?
Now Vera
Wow.
cross Benjamin now.
Wow. Yo.
You see, say my Ishan people go pay us. Ishan people nothing you use us come on like that. Una go pay us so.
Na
Ishan
Vera
people na
cross
nothing
am.
use my sister. Una go pay me. Una go pay my sister. My sister cross una brother for free. He call my man for 11 years for free. Waiting, na Ishan people. Waiting.
Na be say na Benjamin dey Libya wey that too know.
Yes.
Wow.
Now Vera cross Benjamin now because when Benjamin don't gbete, no say Papa send her go university. Benjamin go the gbete, go the rob. Ola ya Mosisi. He own senior brother come forth, I can't remember only Benjamin. Now Benjamin take base come up for Nigeria. So when Benjamin come fit base enter reach Tripoli, the ghetto now there for jam because Vera na madam they carry Vera they come. The ghetto na there for jam because Vera na madam they carry Vera they come. You understand? So now he can't say jam Benjamin can't tell Vera say if they come Europe, if Papa dey Germany, but if Papa dey fear to cross and be that now only he can be only boy where Papa gets. Papa Benjamin say no go fit send him own money take cross Benjamin because if Papa dey fear that water, if something happen now, if family go drag and say why you give am money, Papa Benjamin remove am. But when Papa Benjamin come see say Benjamin enter Benjamin, when Benjamin you reach Germany, when he reach Italy, now he take call him Papa. Now if Papa take send that money, may he come Germany, may he give him better life. But for the first place, Benjamin not tell him Papa say, my woman they back they come. Now I make Vera nearly buy for water because of Benjamin. He resurrects. Hey Vera na resurrecting. Benjamin. Now Vera tell reach Italy, he move. They go meet Benjamin. You understand? So I know say if Papa be one good life for her. But my man, where he can't spend the money. Do you know that my man, Vera collect money for his ex-boyfriend take cross Benjamin? Benjamin, Papa
Wait,
never say
Papa
go
Ayo.
down.
No be Papa Ayo.
No be Papa Ayo.
Eh?
That one na she boy. Okay, na this say na only Papa Ayo na Vera don't follow. When I
I
dey
think
pray,
I let that one. Oh.
I pray because when Vera leave Papa Ayo, he friend waiting one friend before he come. They say na only Papa Ayo, I pray. The
Okay,
boy.
Mama, when she said Kenya Benjamin ya crossing, not be the same boat they enter.
Not be the same boat. Vera fair cross Benjamin.
Yes,
I'm
make
gonna
a
love a
move.
boy now.
And be that na madam won't carry her come. When he collect money from the ex-boyfriend hand, you know kaya push Benjamin. May not be say she can't enter Benjamin not come make her. You know when Benjamin can make it.
Nah, you know see the God damn.
Brodima we got there.
When money enter love it Twitter.
He love it, no. He love it, no. But they just like the boy not use his sense.
Yan be tu pa mu
Yo
o.
be too babo.
Ebe love you no waje.
The boy not use his sense. The boy
love you
not
no
use his
yese ti
sense.
fi omo hin ogera. I love you no yese yo mo hin orije. I love you no se ti ri omo ye gbere.
I love it. I love it. Vera here, very. I see it. If I get that big bullet, no, dear bell.
No
No,
get my love there. My lover, come back. Don't worry, you are my sister.
Why you boss?
Bad at it, bad.
I will make a mistake in why boss?
I must now because I know say she dey fear Vera. I don't tell you how many days ago. I know say you no fear. I dey call you. May you come back. May we console you. Because outside no go fit go out. May you go take care. May you go beg your children. You go they give them money. That inner peace. I tell you, say you forgive yourself. That inner peace will come.
Yes.
Because Vera, you know get inner.
Benjamin Cho, when you come with Benjamin, mommy me rock power with you.
If Vera now say where Benjamin even dey Europe, yeah, you know they see Benjamin with Benjamin, know they stay the same house. Vera fit dey 3 months, he never see Benjamin. Okay, what you can give Vera hope say now when he dey Nigeria he wan see him. Vera, now you know. Now you know. Man, wait, doctor.
That's not responsible. If you now see responsible person, how they know?
Yeah.
It's not an irresponsible man.
Una no say Benjamin won't go. Una no say
If
Benjamin
Papa
won't
is
go
quiet, my
disgrace.
Papa not do this. My Papa not do this. My Papa not do that. Oh, why I see one?
Una no say Benjamin be won't go disgrace Vera for a no gateway platform. Now Vera can't climb, can't they stop her? Now so Vera,
Yeah.
they say Vera nowhere. Now so they say Vera, Vera can't stop her. If you want disgrace Vera there. Now there for if you talk say he not marry, he never marry. Because if you want start to the disgrace him.
Even the disgrace for a live video, where Vera ever.
Now the saga be the next one where they come aboard.
I say Vera with Benjamin Saga, I'm gonna go look, he's loading.
Oh, Vera, oh, mommy, look at mommy, mommy again,
Because by the time we say Benjamin go, they tell Vera, Benjamin go there with another fine girl for that side. You go tell Vera, make Vera they send money.
You know the time I just started the picture for Vera, then he had bear, or we book bear.
My sister,
Benjamin,
if now you go follow that kind man, go ask, you don't go pursue that kind man.
God for poor. Really, even a Benjamin will tell you. No, Benjamin not a man.
Benjamin be the way made the yoke by because a Vera now we say Benjamin, but as far as saying don't carry.
Benjamin, I have not put my door, my card.
I'm not square my car.
A Benjamin, man, or you Benjamin,
Okay, that the way they beat her.
I said that when I food spoil, I've been waiting. Now overfeed. Oh, you know, it be like picking with the overfeed, you know, overgrow baby. I did the be
overfeed baby, overfed baby.
Yeah. Benjamin Waja. If I look and not know husband when Vera they see for a body.
Yeah. I want to the talking about fatty, your fatty.
Follow my brother. I'll tell him.
Follow you now. And the weather Germany very cool.
No, I said a lot.
Man, Italy man now.
Custard.
Man, Italy man now over what kaima. I will use Senegal man. You Gambia man.
So if you see all those men where they see hard working men, they're gonna say, "Oh, they be fool." Because person where they get there for itself where they work, it they lean. It they lean.
Not shine.
Oh, yeah, one me rest of men they get about what follow.
My sister, I'm gonna repay B. Why you tell yak bolo?
I wanna there go we buy your water ne.
4 o'clock, 4:30. I don't come up for. I don't. Okay, we sleep.
Benjamin never pay for house rent. This way you call Europe. Or my pay house rent €100 there. Why you not go make bogo for face?
Now you go to buy marker guest. You go to buy. You go wear. You go buy this thing. Louis Vuitton. You go wear. You go buy the a boy any. You go shares benefit. Yeah, the you wanna wear your ear.
Which money
Only Matana.
Because on I am the guest of Evodo.
On your
So
thing
when
with
I will
the
let me go to the book, but a get banner, 1 minute gay, you don't carry.
that one is setting now. You know, say both the guy when he tell friend when he the others one go see come back. He go
My
they
man,
you know
my
they
man.
they say that deport a man.
But they use that now. If one of a boy anything like him, no more, say you bow. Ah. That will like with you. Other way, a cocky, you will tell, no gap.
Go lost
hotel
for
that
fine hotel
matter.
for Lagos.
Yeah.
Thank you. 5-star hotel. Thank you.
Shame let am go ass.
He said
Shame
na
let am
Lekki
go
I
ass
dey
now.
You know, say
o.
even people will get money, may I tell you one thing. People will really get money. If that case happen to them, even though they get billions of naira for accounts, now small hotel that they go. Yeah.
They'll first go reason their
Yes, so
life.
they'll
My
go relax for
papa,
small hotel. You go call his
see,
wife, you go very relax the man.
Benjamin
He with the wife
Oh,
before they make
thank you
suggestions.
so much.
ask when he wan sell.
Thank you.
I
Thank you
mean,
so
they say
much.
Benjamin not get us so.
Benjamin gas for Uromi. Him mama
Yeah.
with his wife they there no fit go there. Boko gbo you door, Boko gbo you door.
Yeah, where, I'm not calling it. I go women in the
You
door.
know why? Because the area where his papa has they na big area now. That is why.
Ah, boy, anyone like a fizzy. Yeah.
And you know why his papa not show am? Benjamin go sawak beken. Owa sawak beken.
Because anyone overgrow baby. Oh.
Era henge talking wani. Era henge talking.
I did it. Mama, may I ask you one thing? You know the see Vera say, "Ori kava
My sister. Also, not your vision and Larry. I don't want to be your eye. Vision. La ho women. What I can know in memory. Emma
woman. So tell a woman they always a fresh. You will be the man they fresh. The woman was do you.
Vera is a exoticness.
But my way Vera Jim Bonnet Cabo.
A Vera Diana.
But
And
you
Vera
one way
na
man look
fine
cannot
woman,
give yes
eh.
I get fresh.
Vera
Vera man
is very,
fresh.
very beautiful.
A Vera man fresh
Fine.
because when you not say the Vera not fresh. Orion and Masoto, every 3 months or Yami Benjamin.
Yeah, you better have you a boy Zeba with Benjamin.
Una good afternoon.
Good
Welcome.
The Vera no better go beg the children. Now let them me see because those children cause they affect Vera and Benjamin.
Now wetin
I
all
know,
of
I
us dey
know.
talk for here be that.
Because children, even they say, I say Vera they take care of those children. Go see as dog go they open for her.
Now those children head go. You know, if you give them money, you see that happiness where go they come from. The doors go they open.
Yes, now. I say when my children dey Africa that time, if na 20 I give them, I go see more than that one.
Now so now.
Dog go they open. Now they are come
Okay,
say.
what you can be shocked with was that they can't video that children with phone where they sleep. Oh, mama, oh, yeah, mother, do it.
You say that when they move on with Benjamin Munyahu. This
Vera
is Jamin.
even tell people say they not donate for those children. Now they
Una
don't
no
really
dey talk
swear.
about una own children. Me,
Yeah,
I
what
give
better, eh?
children when I don't know.
No,
I dey
for
give
that
people
one,
when I don't
as
know
we dey
from
grow, they come.
Adam.
Vera God get strong mind for all of us. As we they grow, they come.
Here,
When
go
you tell
back
us
there.
truth today, if they feel
Oh,
say
no,
you
that
dey
children
tell
phone
am.
where
How
we
he
are dog,
want
they
to
sleep.
sell it for the house?
Yeah. Oh, mama, shake it very, very, when I get a little life video again, it will point out.
Wa be e o sa to e Vera. Ai. E Benjamin no wa o wa.
Overgrow, baby.
My papa
If
he
you know
wan
what that
sell,
way
he
for
go
why
burn
who
the
I
house,
call
he
ya
go
big
do this,
wedding.
he go
If
do
na
am.
two of your son, you go carry them come put them for football. They go
Oh,
dey
na
waka for
person
your
wey
back
really like,
kati.
one like a bowl, I say, I'm working Libya. Or like a
Eh,
bowl,
you know why Vera born reach like this? Rude gbola, you make care
You
of
know, say those
mononare.
children say Vera big. If they are one shop at Duro, they must ask and say you first get children before.
My sister, Vera first son now is 24. Second one is
Jesus.
22. Third one is 20. The
Jesus.
fourth one is 18. The last one for
Wow.
us is 16 years.
Mama mia.
Grown up children. Grown up age.
What you go take the
If to say Vera
shakara?
do it now,
No,
by
Vera.
now, those
Vera, you
children
not
now, they
supposed to
for
know.
don't
You boys
get one
supposed to
kind.
just follow. Oyibo.
Mudia,
your
Vera, you
children.
are to miss any area more Kenya.
Oh, BS10. Mose, Iwa Aquari Hospital, BS10.
Because people will get some, get 2 children for Nigeria and one. Yo, what to tell for talk?
Ira Venezuela.
Hey.
Gonna hit. Oh, okay, I said that to do the finish. 50 years, okay, what you will give a month.
Egbe wa wo mi. We go be proud of your children.
He really try for all that children. 5 children on born away.
If you money very ya yo. E ma jono su we self. E mo we have baby. No we have the future now.
Yeah, I can't donate to me. And you when you gonna but near deporting and not bet 11 years with Jamie are gonna.
Yeah, they gonna.
They give down away. They Europe.
We go the Osaka, yes. Me and Yak Boye ni go.
Anyway, see, if Vera my people, if Vera no go take care of those children, those one way they are hand, she no go get peace until she go take care of those children.
Yes, nah.
If she not settle with them, no peace for Vera.
Vera, if you watch, you know, my sister, my just sister, what I tell you, I said the first settlement, na children. Na children, I don't feel talking 4-5 days ago. Make she they play.
Yes.
Make she they play. If he settle with the children, she will come get inner peace. If not, she will ever get peace.
If not, no peace. Oh. If you not settle with your children, go take care of them. You know go get peace. Those ones where you take the run, government will find you everywhere you go. They will collect the children for your hand. You better go settle with your children before your family. You settle with your children. You settle with your family. Man come, man go, make it go. You go find peace.
Vera, you get 5 boys where people they find. Aye.
Children where people they find, they do surrogacy for Nigeria. People they abroad, things not go okay. They go back home.
Fast, you take carry 12 your son.
All those children, you know, some children not the see her for him. Yeah, the own room, yeah, lad.
Yeah, that was my sister.
Therefore, they know the kind of mama where they born them. How can mama will go see her speaking to the suffer? You know, if he say 50 euro, that kind of mama not be winch.
My sister, those children, they don't suffer. Those children don't suffer.
Believe say Vera met not feel good towards that children. No, Benjamin pass here.
So buy them, they hungry now before now.
Oh. Benjamin, I must say 40%, you know, say Vera Kawa.
That video, when they take video, children carry come out with that for missing and my heart come the bone.
Mama, see, even say Benjamin na 40%.
Me, I even share tears when I see those. Me, I follow sweat for Vera. When I see those children dead, when I see the kind of life where they live, I follow sweat for Vera. I say, Vera, you know, get peace. Now, wait till I talk.
Now, so now everybody
because it pain me, I cry. I know they cry for something, but I cry. I shed tears. Seeing those children, for waiting, children will get murdered. God forbid. No, I follow the swear, give Vera, When the children, they swear, they carry head, they swear. You know what it mean? God feel open way for you. You for that Nigeria, you say people, they enter that Mediterranean Sea, they buy. You enter.
You forget everybody buy.
Open your womb.
Help because of the children. My sister, go on. Let this our sister, go on.
I say, away a money, a Benjamin. You must say Benjamin not cost anything, but Benjamin already know say Vera get children. He's supposed to say Vera. If I don't give you money, but take care of your children.
No, Vera, Benjamin don't know from the day one.
Hey.
So I say me ham wo Vera ne ko yan kan lene.
Oh, so far. O metwen.
When Vera boy first speaking. When Vera boy first speaking, when Mr. Wait this say, or more where do be where Benjamin here for hospital. Vera deny, Vera can't agree one, give Benjamin, say na one. He can't agree one. Then that because they beat and I make I can't go do meeting with her face. So that if she can't talk her for public, say na 2, nobody go feel they talk say na 3 again. And na 5 again. And I mean where or not you can't agree say na 2, come cannot do like me.
They 2 no.
Now since when Benjamin can't no say na 5, now Benjamin can't say Vera, you choose me or your children. Instead when Vera go choose the children, you can't choose my mom.
Mama. Even what your mama platform no go me Benjamin.
Oh, say my mind. Benjamin
You know, she say, since when Benjamin they do live, they Benjamin one any level. Only one one. We be very level. Only one by a live video.
Woman. A Vera
I
here.
feel.
My mom.
You deport her. Oh, no, you can I tell them they deport me and my woman and my children. Me and my children.
Me and my children.
Me and my. That boy is common love. You don't get that for Vera. Oh.
You no get oh. You no get
Common
it.
lasting God love. You don't get for that because on a normal ground, if the carry man goes now, your wife if you take the sing. My wife, my children. You go to listen. All boy and my children are me the carry my children follow me. I say me the carry
My children. Oh.
You know if you open my say my wife.
A person never call my woman. You dey talk of my wife.
Is that all I say? I can't go meet there. They don't carry my man. Ew, is that Anisha? God.
You don't ever see Benjamin for live video with Vera before.
No.
Why you're tired?
They never post Vera once.
You don't.
My
I think you
sister,
dey
do you
see
know
a
the
no
funniest
see
part?
all of them.
Yeah.
Vera and Benjamin, they be March 30. You don't ever see. Too often I don't see a picture where Benjamin they snap together. They snap on before.
No.
I don't see picture. So I might tell una una no say na Vera. I don't know this thing I want to so comment section. I want to know whether una where the social media una they follow up, una they put eye for something. 2 years ago, na Vera come they write Iri time where she take they do birthday. Because of Benjamin, where Benjamin na March 30, Vera na March 30, Benjamin come tell Vera 5-6 years ago, Vera go celebrate his birthday on the 26th of March. He go celebrate on the 27th of March. He go celebrate on the Vera may have a permanent date. Benjamin, because each one of them come post birthday, they go say, wow, now you're celebrating. Benjamin na one Vera can't drag you go 25-26 of March.
No be like if you go Benjamin platform, you no go see Vera for there.
I pray. What do you talk?
Even go reach TikTok. I dey see men they post husband and wife. Who dey say moto sometimes me and my husband will do video. Who dey say moto he go post am.
Even Vera platform. Vera platform. You see Benjamin for the one if he put a picture there. On one
Eh, that one what done it. And I what do on it here na eh. That one was do on joy.
for what? Do you know that Benjamin called my papa? He said my papa no tell and say Vera get 5 children. My sister, you no come do introduction. You no come marry. Ah, my papa want my papa don't even know whether you kidnap a pikin, you deal with a pikin. Now you still come they ask my papa question. Say why my papa? I said that I call Benjamin. Me with a fight for WhatsApp.
Where Benjamin not gonna buzu everyone.
I say I go call Benjamin go call me again. He go they come blah blah blah. Benjamin or
buzu
Benjamin or Benjamin.
We mami me na ya go with TikTok. We are the buzu no. Only a very young lady because the where you be my woman you be wife. I have a post a picture of ya me go with multi queen even na me view.
You go the better than YouTube Facebook people or put
because ekia got turn oblish ekia I why.
And not only Benjamin born for Vera, and actually we may born for Benjamin for Germany there, okay?
Really?
Mama,
you need to take care of yourself. You don't go abandon the moment you give them money to take care of yourself.
I look like who they lie. Benjamin, your best friend. Benjamin Nakawamu Ekononi. That one born baby girl for Benjamin.
The best friend.
now don't I see they call my mama.
Who's that young man?
Yeah. Where that one can't carry Benjamin go court. Now Vera go stand for food. They call my mama say Benjamin no go pay child support. Vera la reni one way Vera call you any magua. Vera giagua. La
The Vera ni my sister. Ma go to him. O ma sharp at all. A dog be. You know you're sharp.
If not be mama, Benjamin for 2 use Vera. If not be mama, wait, cause they put him out.
You know, Vera na dog person. More children benefit when you take the shine yourself, they buy yourself, Vera, you might. No, we are shopping, we are glowing.
Vera, go beg your children. Oh, now that one.
If you see, now you go the one may post your picture. Now you go to give her your child benefit, make the shop on. Make they carry women.
Oh.
That
Then
girl.
you ask Vera. whether Vera don't talk to Mama Benjamin once. One no.
Again, it dog, but gosh.
Oh,
I go talk to Mama Benjamin. She Benjamin get wife for us. Yeah.
Benjamin get wife now. The day when Vera 8 years ago, Vera tell Benjamin say he won't do introduction. They can use and do introduction before my Benjamin gbe Vera. I said that day we call they cry for Vera. We call they cry for Vera.
Vera, mutia here you go there no see ya.
My sister, man, you know why Ariana get us a B. Get us a B.
Listen, I want you to eat fish.
Because I'm an area you go come, you know we there that no see.
Vera now what my sisters they thought they marry. They can't do introduction, me marry me. I said that day. Me with this away this day, we come they follow Vera, they cry for food. Ugbe no gbe Vera either there. 8 years ago.
Forever.
The time when Vera carry Benjamin carry Vera 2022 may come tell for social media say we come to say my papa my husband not go marry me not go pay bride price I not do the social media. And not see am. When they say my husband not go marry me, he say if my papa wait for bride price he go hold. Me my husband never pay my bride price. If they not
I say not go marry her. He tell you papa not go shop him money on where?
Yeah. Me na cow my husband buy go time for my papa outside. If you like the you should marry.
No mama we go here no big go. Ayi why?
O we ran eri men ori e no bride price in go do aka wari ogwe. Nonsense.
Oh, they not pretend that no woman wants me ma put money for you. That one a lie. Yes. Yeah, it's a pride of woman say ma can't pay your bride price. Now woman pride.
Yes. To beat you that.
Yes, now no good. A woman when they say, me I know what I mean. They put money in a lie. They talk. He say he has not be waiting.
Because Benjamin don't want to say talking after day. Me no reason.
But be o can't be 5 children. Must say na gbolo be agbon. Okay, a Benjamin no man stretch na go grow baby na. Me no eat banana. Etin ya me mo be ave.
Only I dey tan na never ya mo be never swan.
Because someone you were a bag every you can.
Yesterday when I they watch Benjamin when they talk say whether he papa do ritual, I don't know what they talk say. They talk say whether he papa not do ritual. They shout.
Like papa use the senior brother do ritual.
He said even the ritual self, if papa no rich, they are laugh. I said this boy don't mad.
Imagine Benjamin never reach 1 month for Nigeria. He do the craze. 1 month thing and book money for.
Benjamin go colo, he go craze, read normal craze.
You know why he go craze? All the old evil when he do Vera. You know say where we for the con, they know they do us evil, my sister, you know.
At all.
Pay put.
Benjamin go turn him against her, he won't go crazy.
If Benjamin know what he best want doing. As he turn Vera against the children, Benjamin, he never see anything.
No, he they play, I don't know where Vera for come. Sometimes I will not look some people. I say, I don't know.
He go crazy. If you know where Vera for come, if you know they tolerate that, I say use Vera to do nonsense. So it is you don't go get peace.
They know they do us something, they go scot free.
That one is certain.
They know they do us something.
I know they first good person.
I don't do this person. See, the thing, I don't know how God they do that thing. Some people go just they do get. I go just look them. I go laugh. I say, oh, if to say you know where you they go, now road you for take turn, oh. Hey,
I cannot the fair do person bad though because I know where for the come.
I they tell you, I know they do evil to person, but if you do it to me, just wait for it. You go see double.
That time they will come. They call us wish. You be wish. You be wish. You be that. All people
if not be because of public again waiting I for talk where something will happen but now the repercussion hey God hey I had a laugh I said this life now say be based on where we for come.
How you go turn woman against the children and woman party they look you I don't understand not I never see that man oh I don't understand
as you know say a Vera now love Now love the warrior. As he born one pikin, why you not run, leave and make it carry wahala they go. You they do everything. Only no, you want me love, no want me everywhere. But they try to tell Vera not be so. Pizza, get pizza. Yeah.
Vera, eventually my me up. Oh, you marker cloth, you marker shoe where they snap. All of the dog go. What you love?
Vera
Benjamin
go keep go suffer, eh?
Benjamin 1 week.
If you not come back to his children, you know get peace. So
You
Vera,
know.
if you dey hear me, if you not go back to your children, go beg all those your senior children. No peace for you. We all the mothers now, we they talk to you now.
Yeah, so-
Because we know how the pain you carry your children for 9 months in your womb. You cannot abandon those children.
Never.
So if you not go back and take care of those children, you will not have peace.
That one I certain no, because I pick away carry con life.
Yeah, so.
I don't know the way some mother build. I say me
But
will
they
pay
Vera,
yourself.
also women, they did this Vera too for this Europe.
Do you know say for this one what we just still dey so? I dey talk one day for one platform. One woman still come ask me whether the children not get papa. Now the woman
Okay.
they swear for sis.
Now person like that, oh, not then. They abandon children because of man, because of Bola.
Yeah. As I did, so man go abandon pikin for
You
me.
say
I
the
will dey
children
wait for
get
his
papa, you
papa.
not go take care of your children.
Me go dey
You
wait for
say the children
their
get
papa.
papa, you not go do your own as a mother.
My sister, I say you get one of my friend about 20 years ago, your husband did this Italy. He born 2 boys. So more time, your husband come marry a woman, not call the marry children. This girl did Nigeria. He train the children, not wait for man wait they Europe.
Okay.
He train the children.
Before we call, then they wait for men.
Then they wait for man. I don't understand to wait for man for beer.
Me get
me
pikin for Nigeria. If papa dey Europe, now let me want to take care of am.
I don't care whether their father they not do. The one I go see give their children, their father
Their papa, if papa dey Europe, now let me want to take care of am.
Okay.
Okay.
If papa not the same one, then I
Many
don't care.
single mothers where they all fair born. Man where they Nigeria, they know they take care of children. That one, if we say no, we talk grand go full.
Now
They
look
go
at
take
the
care
look
of
at that the way
children.
they say
Now
papa not dey there.
women.
If Benjamin they take care of his children for Europe here, not be government they take care of am.
Okay.
Benjamin never buy pampers one day.
Okay.
And not be government they take care of children wey both way they
Come
say
is
if
Igolo
papa
man
not do
where
this
they
one,
say
if papa not do the other one.
ring bell for it too.
If your
Lap.
papa not take care of the children, you as a mother, you not go see do the one way you fit do.
Some go say the papa
Then
not
they
do.
see as if for more other children they sleep just that time. Now this bros what they go buy phone for them.
And my
You know
brother
if you
now.
buy phone of 120, 150.
You know say my junior brother what update? Irú Hausa yẹn gbé money wọ̀ ọ́ yà dé fóònù nìyẹn.
Umeti as a mother, you know if you buy phone for your children, which life you come? Who were the who there?
My sister, I say a month if I no buy something for my children, go be like say I dey sick.
Now
If
you
they were home,
How can you born pikin?
If I not buy one or two things,
born. Now
I
put
go
go
dey
the sweet you were that born. You know come know where your pikin. They not be the
Nah,
children.
yeah.
They
Every
be
year
that man,
now
not
they
be
carry load, they
Benjamin
go give my
Gossam.
pikin for
Now
Nigeria.
better wait.
Not
Now
be only my
wickedness.
pikin though. If I dey give all my sister's children,
Na
my
so na.
brother's children,
We
people
were
when
there,
I don't
we
know,
see they
I
take
dey
care
give
of our
them.
sister children, our brother children. Talk to us say their own children.
talk on your own. Vera Maitiri, I know
Okay,
I wait
what
all
I
The
do
you.
one where they
Nigeria,
school, they
eh?
go call me sister.
If I buy food
I
stuff,
dey
they go
school.
say whether they
My
want
cousin,
to marriage.
I dey give
Eh.
my cousin's children. People, different people when I don't know, I dey give them money.
If
I
you
say
say
their
for
papa no dey
everything.
use food.
you
Why
want
they buy for my
that
children?
agreement,
Government
let me send that money, may take go let work. Why you know if you send one that give your sister pikin, talk to us say your own blood pikin will carry for your belly. Cool.
Vera no go get peace, so we never have peace. We like you see wrong, go where you capatran, you never have peace until you go and beg
You
your
not go
children.
get peace now. We don't talk. You know, say we women we carry power.
You know
Anything
that
wey we
thing
talk.
where it do so. All mother head they against them.
Yes, now.
Mother anybody where don't born where don't push pikin for labor, e dey
You
against
know the
them.
pain. Hey,
You go labor, go born, go dash your pikin. Use that say they do carry cash for streets. Your pikin they go they follow street they go. from street to street. Where we were the same money they give pikin self. We will see they ask, they eat where, they back lots, they do this one, you do this one for them. Will they ask more questions? You go say, mommy, I don't want this cream, I want to buy the other one. You go the same money to please that pikin because you know they there.
When I reach Nigeria for how many years? Clothes when I carry gun now, then they tell me, sister, first thing, you remember this cloth? Now you bring this cloth now. You don't remember this best spread? Now you bring her now. I go say, hey, I don't remember them again. No. And the thing they give me joy. Like,
You
I
know,
see what I do for
you your pikin go grow, you they
My
happy,
sister,
you take care of
when
them.
you talk, so now so I dey do at that time. Before I go carry my children come.
Yeah,
Yeah?
urepa, urubi,
If I
urambara,
backlog, go give my
urume.
children, their papa go dey give people the dark. The girlfriend cause you say food full as woman come dey stay as. Now if I go carry my children, now my money go to go marry another woman.
I can't look people where they Libya, where they take care of the 3 children for Nigeria. I don't see him. In Libya, they send the children money. If he send 1 million, go give the mom, may rent us, may put the children for school. The man not put the children for school.
Okay, you go shop the
Yeah,
money,
the man
useless
go
man.
he don't use the money to go they carry women. So the girl can say brother go, may go check up his children. How they tell they do, whether they do okay for the new house. When the brother reach the neck, can see say the man not even rent us now computer building, go put his children.
Okay.
You understand? Now the girl come tell brother may collect children for the man. When you want collect the children, the man not agree. Brother can go carry police. They collect the children. They can't really see where the children they stay. Say no good now. Computer building. The man they use the money they carry different women. His sister they suffer from Libya. The same money they come. They take care of children. You know they take care of them. Talk close. Say you were there abroad. What did happen to 200 euro? Yeah, let's go. What did happen to 100 euro? No fish send. You what thing that be mama, you don't get sense. Oh, man,
Now,
not
who
get
Vera
sense,
be
carry
big
the go.
fool.
We are stay here, PP here, PP in the po. Okay, okay.
If does it not be
No,
the
come on.
children, nobody for the insult Vera because marriage, everybody get their own.
Yes,
Now
now
the
you see
children
the
make us
try
the
to
talk.
they try. Oh, what to act be? Even when me see that children, see where they sleep, see their room. Even I can't look the last one. If you're not one.
No.
You see that night when they sleep that day. You know you may be a veteran. Again it. They tie her to. That's the way if you do this one to his children. What if is the sister children they wait for? They tie you know if that girl not get, you know if he forgive himself. Yeah, you know if he forgive himself because he meant too strong. What he do other children is very bad. That all those things will do that they go Benjamin 90 grand I go there for Nigeria. Oh, he go see he go stay down Nigeria, go test time, be better go see abandon and the way they abandon his children. Yeah, go clear. You're wicked to your pikin. They say that get pikin. You say come out, you say you get. You where they take care of pikin because of benefit.
My sister, this one now wey be say they wan collect pikin for am for Germany. Who know wetin they do those children? Who know whether I know say they take care of them
When
well?
they say the pikin go talk for school.
Maybe you know they take care of them. Well, my sister don. Okay, tell me my tell what ban eh.
Oh, abi be kan yen dey talk here say.
Eko kiyan say ni, I
You
say
know they take care of the well.
If they carry money, they give Benjamin. I want to proclaim the way.
Benjamin wa de labo ramujo. Benjamin no do video for Nigeria. Now Benjamin ekwe get with video with streets in Nigeria. Ekwe get with video with streets.
Mama, what is he putting Benjamin? Where's he going to give his friend? Why that one see the now come and see the one and so.
I say Benjamin go give the best friend wife belle. That one born baby girl for her.
A Benjamin we're going to say you to mommy go ya pay up pa.
Now we work picking now.
If Vera new country, so they know just they pay and once. Me they send a give them. If he stay there, he say go, no go, come, no come. Maybe he met. You said the Germany people go fly and come again.
And I Wetin Benjamin, you know why? It is a guy, Papa will come go meet Germany people, say, I get passport, bring my pick up for me. Now in 5 years, you are banned. Benjamin, when it comes to Europe, you are banned for 5 years. They banned you for 5 good years.
Instead of to beg a papa, they insult a father. Very useless.
You go adopt and come.
That he first speak, he say that was Benjamin in Nigeria. You know what Benjamin talk on live video. He say when he in Nigeria, he say now they can't say the pikin can't talk for school. Pikin what they call blessing. Can't say he mama slap him. Una know here.
That will be first daughter wait 5 years.
5 years.
10 years. 10 years.
He say he mama slap him. He said they be not giving my children for school. They can't need to call Benjamin for Nigeria. They can't tell us say they not give him.
Now if they carry half paper, go ask. You only pay.
Other children will do with Vera for me. Will be a camera Vera ya. No, what those children anyhow you're help. Now mama will there at peace. Mama will head correct. Now they take care of the king well. You not be naive here, kwa. Benjamin avec pa. Mi ore ya kokivi ore ya ga ekiapa. I
never see mama where they run leave the children. Mothers will be say they will do anything for their children to survive.
And the Jamie, may I tell you, Jamie, they know they carry, they collect people children. Now Jamie midday. You understand? I get children for Jamie. They know they carry. Whether husband and wife they fight, they get issue every day, or your pikin and they fight for us. Pikin go report you.
They don't see us say no be better person now.
They don't say I say no be responsible father.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I know when Nigeria people they cry, come out there, collect my children. I go not know say the person are useless person.
If social they work with person, they know they carry the collect person children. They go work with you in a clear way.
Yeah.
So you don't get cockroach on your cupboard.
If not so now the people. Everybody should be. You
don't see record the way the social code tell us say why I fish children money. You got to record the woman.
Okay.
She say no get sense. Me social don't help me feed children money once. Not that then holiday. They just help me.
You know, say most of our Nigerian people, they enter this Europe. What do they want to do for Africa? They don't want to do it here.
That they do like person will not get sense. So person want help you for Europe for here. You know the thing of women when they collect children. If with your husband don't separate, they'll give the children. He go give the woman the children back.
Yes.
They want work with her, but if they do like person will not they know man. They make her they say they want to control his brain.
Because it brace so boo.
They make her you just everything you have the fear because he and your husband they fight every day for his and they make her the fear. So sure they call you say, may you come and help you feel picking money. You just see the record down. It wasn't not then necessary. Why the record you?
Person wey fit record my papa, video my papa when my papa dey sick for inside bed. Now not fit record social.
Well, yes, I snap a picture of the post. That girl not get sense so. You know, a record in your do over me, or maybe one.
Now I make for Vera. I don't settle with you. I no get problem with you. But me and you no fit stay under the same roof, Mariana.
What do I record the nakedness you were son?
When I go Sarah place, if na Vera house I go because that summer with the naked everybody. Hey Vera, he record me young agbele kwa.
You know, because you not guessing, you don't get out of track. When you not see my sister, a depression, a worry, one someone you wa or you work be.
My sister, depression. You know say if woman you born, they see he born first before he born first because Benjamin beg. Second one 3 weeks as he bath pikin finish because Benjamin help and carry bath. The Benjamin now want me bath to now want be you herere. My sister ready as obu.
Wetin be that?
So,
Huh?
Benjamin, Ogwodogbuwe, Benjamin. As you say you want to spoil Vera life,
I don't know.
una
I don't
gbe
know.
back to una gbe your
Bro, what did they say about?
Bẹ́wàá gbọ́ kò bẹ́ẹ̀ ó yàrá wà ní.
No be I tell Vera, say Vera, if na so come on for here. If Vera come go tell Faye, say, me when he ekpa him word or Vera we ro word or.
Èdè wà bò ní.
We ro word or. When na word or, when na ya lie. Eva ni ro word or, mami no ya ta when ya ro word or.
Benjamin, not for beats.
Vera go get sense. If you don't get sense, that means he go run forever.
Vera, sunu, okay? May you go beg your children. May you get peace. May you start your life. But you see the highest regret where you go get, say, as they don't deport Benjamin, you still get hope for Benjamin. Only one way for Mariana. Only one way for you are a gunner. As they don't carry Benjamin, go home. So we were abandon you door. Money
He's
where you
supposed
go
to see. Vera supposed to they happy as they carry very waiting. They can say
Benjamin.
He's supposed to
You don't
they
say,
happy.
Rotimi go say Benjamin.
Benjamin. Oh, Rotimi don't lay cause for a year now. I watched that video now. When all the children gather, you know what?